AI-driven smart charging, revolutionizing EV fleet management. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming how electric vehicle, EV, fleets are managed, particularly in charging optimization. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI enables fleet managers to predict maintenance needs, optimize charging schedules, and adjust for individual driving behaviors, leading to improved operational efficiency. NovaCharge. One significant advantage of AI in EV fleet management is its ability to enhance battery life. AI-driven predictive analytics boost battery life, make charging cycles more efficient, and adjust the battery's energy consumption as driver behavior changes. EV Charging Summit and Expo. Moreover, AI can alleviate EV charging anxiety by providing personalized feedback to drivers. By analyzing driving patterns and identifying behaviors that impact battery consumption, such as rapid acceleration or sudden braking, AI promotes energy-efficient driving habits, extending the range and lifespan of the vehicle's battery. Cerebrum X. Incorporating AI into EV fleet charging strategies not only reduces operational costs, but also supports sustainable energy practices, positioning fleets at the forefront of technological innovation.